Welcome YouTube, I am Arch Nemesis Tech Reviews here, and today I am going to be taking a look of the OMEN mouse as part of Steelseries. Steelseries made this mouse to represent the HP OMEN laptop, which is, as you can guess it, it's on my right. Now the OMEN mouse, we're gonna get deep to that into the design. Is actually a gaming mouse. It's also, which means it's like a programmable mouse, which means it's customizable in the computer. You can change the color of the logo for this dragon red to anything, which we'll show you on the video after I discuss that. So the OMEN mouse is configured. Of course, it's an optical mouse, and it runs with on a USB basis. And the mouse, same as usual, is from an HP and sponsored by Steelseries. Of anything. As you can see, you got the Steelseries logo. You got your beautiful OMEN logo. You got your the mouse wheels, your left and right mouse button. Then this, you got your back and some buttons on the left. And that's nothing on the right. Now if you're really wondering, I got this mouse from as part of my laptop bundle, which is on the right. Yes, and it came with the headphones, which we're not gonna go to that. So thank you for those who want a mouse like this. So you can also buy the OMEN 15T if you were not over there. So, but I'm not here to promote that kind of stuff. So there we go. And for the pros and cons. The pros is, mouse looks pretty nice. The logo is pretty well made, and the mouse and the colors can actually be changed into the Steelseries and is customizable. Cons is, like, the mouse could be clicking very loudly. I think that's the thing with mouse. They're meant to click loudly. I'm not really sure that's fine. I'm not really sure. Cons is I'm not entirely sure what's this middle thing with the mouse. That I'm not entirely sure of. Cause I don't know, cause usually my Logitech wireless mouse that my sister usually uses doesn't have a middle mouse key or something like that. And same for my trackpad on my laptop. Doesn't really use that kind of stuff. So, okay, I'm gonna wrap this up. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up. I am Arch Nemesis Tech Reviews. If this video says if you want a mouse like this, I am Arch Nemesis Tech Reviews, giving you a reliable almost reliable sources about technology and gaming gadgets. I'm Arch Nemesis Tech Reviews. Right over there, there's my Steam controller, my baby over here. Signing off.